Welcome back to another tutorial, and we are going to build on several videos that we've kind of broken down major parts of the Google Workplace system. We're going to, first of all, go to our tools. We're going to create a new form. And what we want to do is have our Google form connect to our Google Sheet. So when you submit a new request, it's going to auto-populate the sheet. This is going to create a just kind of a tracker of some sort where you can, mark a task in progress or completed. But then we want to move the completed item into a new sheet. So first, to do this, we're going to create a couple questions. First one's going to be status. It's going to be multiple choice. We're going to say just request, because we don't want them to mark this as complete. So it's only one for them to fill out, and we'll say address. We'll make this a short answer, and then we'll get their email. Actually, that's going to be captured up here, so we don't need that. Let's change this to a phone number. And then lastly, we want what is the issue, and we're going to make this a paragraph. So now that we have that, we can go to preview. Let's fill this in and hit submit. So now this should go to here. So it's working perfectly. For this to work, I already pre-wrote the code because I try to make these videos in less than 3 minutes. Let's rename this to tasks. This is the needed name in order for the code to recognize what tab you're talking about. And this one we're going to rename to completed. Let's just double check. Yep. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to click on extensions and app script. We are going to copy this function. Go ahead and pause the video here if you want to get the code. Also, there will be a link for you to click on so you can use it. We're going to delete what's in here. We're going to paste. We're going to hit save. We have to run the project. Usually it's going to ask you to authorize it. Okay, so now, why is this? Okay, so we need to move you over to here. And then we're going to click on you, and we're going to change you into a drop down. And then we're going to add another one. This one's going to be in progress, and then completed. Now, you'll notice I used a lowercase completed. Need to make sure that matches up with the way you're typing it in here. So if you use a capital completed, make sure you change it right there. So now we should be able to hit done. And now when we change, it's saved. Okay, so now if we change this to completed, hopefully, yep, so now it's been deleted and it's been copied over to here. So the cool thing is if you are receiving multiple requests, so let's just do one more. Submit another response. Test 2, test 2, test 2, hit submit. So now we'll have this. So now what we could do is grab all of these and we'll drag and drop these down like this. So now let's say we want to, I should have actually formatted this entire column so this wouldn't have happened. Now I have to reduplicate my work. Let's just change this to completed. Hit done. And now we'll change this. Actually, no, let's be smart about this, Parker. Let's drag and drop this down. There we go. So now we can hit complete. And you'll see that we are moving each one that we mark complete now over to here. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.